Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Rocksbox unboxing. So I'm going to unbox everything that came in my last Rocksbox. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Rocksbox in a little bit. I have talked about it on my channel quite a bit, but I'm going to go ahead and just reiterate for those new people that are watching and people that may not know exactly what Rocksbox is. But before I do that, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. So if you want to see everything that came in my last Rocksbox, then just keep on watching. Basically, it is a jewelry subscription service where you pay $20 a month and you get to choose 3 pieces of what they have on their website, and it gets delivered to your door every single month. Your $20 that you pay monthly is a credit toward any purchase that you make of all the pieces that you do receive. You sign up for Rocksbox, you take a style quiz, and you basically write down all your preferences for what you like, and then you add things to your wish list. You get pretty much what you want, at least in your top 10, and they kind of send you an email saying, oh, your Rocksbox has been set up, review your pieces and swap them out if you don't like them, and then they give you options to swap them out if you don't like them. And I've done that a couple of times, and most of the time the stylist actually picks pieces that I would really enjoy. And they do offer brand name jewelry such as Kendra Scott and others that I can't remember right now. Let's see which ones I got in my Rocksbox this month, and I'll let you know more of the brands that are offered. But I do have a discount code for your first month free. It's going to be right here. It's also going to be in the description below. You get your first month free. Obviously you do have to pay for the jewelry if you end up keeping it, and you do have to input a credit card so that you get charged the next month if you haven't returned the items. So it is your first month free. That's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Yeah, I actually didn't know about that when I signed up for Rocksbox, so I paid full price, but whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much what Rocksbox is. You pay $20 a month, you get 3 pieces, you kind of choose basically what you want. Whatever you don't like, you can send it back. They actually send you a mailing envelope that's reusable, so you don't have to pay to return it at all. And then you basically pay for what you do want to keep, and then they send you 3 more pieces, and it's an ongoing cycle, and you pay $20 a month. But there isn't I can't say this is the April unboxing of Rocksbox. No, it isn't really like that. It's more of you get what you get when you pay for the jewelry that you've already received. So this is what the box looks like from Rocksbox. It comes in an outer envelope, again, that's reusable, where you can put anything that you don't want and you want to return it. You can put it back in here and in that bag and send it back. It does come with a return label inside here as well, so you can easily return what you don't want. And let's just see what I got this month. I actually haven't opened it yet, so I'm very excited. And this is what comes in first. It says Ready, Set, Sparkle. And it kind of tells you, I think, this is the pamphlet that tells you what's on. I don't want to look at it because I don't want to cheat. And then it comes with a little card, a care card, and tells you how to care for your jewelry. Avoid contact with water, perfume, other chemicals. Take jewelry off when showering, exercising, cleaning. Use a soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces. It has a little XOXO sticker that I'm going to take off right now so I can easily access what's behind there. And there are 3 pouches, and the return label is behind there, so I can easily return what I don't want. And 3 little pouches with 3 separate pieces that say Rocksbox. Sometimes they actually come in the actual brand pouch, but it's okay. Let's see what this one has first. These are earrings. Oh, actually, I'm super excited for these earrings. I actually picked these myself because I really wanted them. These are Sophie Harper studs, and they are sterling silver, and I actually really love studs, and I've had the studs that I've been wearing they're from Swarovski. I'm not wearing them right now, but I bought them in Switzerland, so they're really special to me, but I don't want to wear them every single day, so I'm kind of glad to have these really nice studs that I could wear on a daily basis. So these are crystal studs in silver, and I'm gonna try them on now. Love them. I love studs like these where they're really big and you can barely see the second hole I have, but also they look super fancy, like I'm wearing diamonds. And I could probably pull these off for a wedding as well. I could just show up and look super classy. But I think they're super pretty and high quality, and I'm probably gonna keep these. Honestly, I'm gonna pay for them because they're really nice. All right, let's see what's in the next pouch. Oh, it's a ring. So I actually definitely requested this one myself. I love this. This is super pretty. This is the Sophie Harper Arrow ring in silver, and oh, by the way, these earrings are $38 and the ring is $42. I'm not sure why the ring costs more than earrings, but whatever. I'm probably gonna end up keeping this too because I don't have a lot of plain silver rings where I could wear with my silver jewelry, but I got it in a size 7 so that it would fit in my middle finger instead. If you're wondering where this is from, I just did a review on this ring. This is from Italo Jewelry. Go check out my video for that. I'll have it linked in the description. This is the Sophie Harper arrow ring, and I really like it. I love what arrows represent, like just pushing forward, and I love how the ring looks, so I'm probably gonna keep this too. And the last thing in the box is, let's see. Oh, it's the feather necklace. So this is the Aster Pluma Short Pendant in silver. Yeah, I got all silver jewelry this month. I don't have a lot of silver necklaces, so I'm gonna try to put this on. Let's see how it works, because I may not be able to, because I always have a hard time because of my nails. Aries, I did it! Okay. So you can actually adjust it too. There's a few holes where you can change the length of it, but I like it this length. This is the furthest length, I think. And one side has like little studs and the other side is doesn't, so you like have to make sure you put it on the right way. But I really like the way that this looks. I also really love what feathers represent, so this is such a really nice combination with the arrow and the feather. I just think that all these pieces will go really, really well together, and I think that's why I chose them, to be honest, but I really don't remember. But yeah, that's the end of this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I did one more of these Rocksbox unboxings like back in the summer, and a lot of people really enjoyed it because a lot of people didn't know that this existed. I am obsessed with jewelry lately, so I have been doing Rocksbox out of my own free will. They're not like sponsoring me, they're not even sending me the boxes. I actually really, really love Rocksbox, and I pay for all the items myself. I bought a ton of jewelry off of them. Basically every single month that has come in, I have bought everything that comes my way because I like it so much. I actually haven't returned a single thing. If you don't like any item, obviously you can return it. You could wear it for the month and then return it. Just make sure it's still in good condition, obviously. That's kind of what I've heard some people do. They just kind of wear it for the month and then return it when they're done, and then they get their new pieces for the month. And it's kind of like a jewelry, like you change out your jewelry every single month basically. But I do have a discount code for your first month free. It's going to be right here. It's also going to be in the description below. You get your first month free, and then obviously you do have to pay for the jewelry if you end up keeping it, and you do have to input a credit card so that you get charged the next month if you haven't returned the items. So it is your first month free. That's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Yeah, I actually didn't know about that when I signed up for Rocksbox, so I paid full price, but whatever. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know if you liked any of these pieces, if you're gonna try Rocksbox, or if you think Rocksbox is a good idea. Just let me know your thoughts in the comments, please, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!